The golden harvest begins today!
Move out! The bees are sleeping!
The line is steady and strong.
It smells like liquid sunshine.
Stay very still, everyone.
Pass it down quickly now!
Oh, look out below! Incoming drop!
Not a single drop wasted.
Time to head home, friends. Another successful day in the woods. We must cross carefully with the honey.
Hold it steady, everyone!
The shore is just ahead. One by one, keep the line moving.
Stay close. The path narrows here.
Heave! Almost at the top!
We are halfway to the village.
These things are everywhere!
I see the lights of home. The harvest is safe. We are home.
We have returned with the forest's gold!
It smells even better than yesterday.
A gift for the strength of our people.
Look! The sky is turning gray!
Quickly! Move everything inside before the rain!
Hold on tight. Don't let it slip.
Just in time. The forest is drinking now.
And that's how I caught the biggest vine.
Rest well. Tomorrow we celebrate. What a beautiful morning!
The air smells so fresh.
Tight and secure.
Watch your step, everyone! Look at those colors!
Hold the vine tight. We are home!
The finest harvest of the season.
You deserve the first taste.
Together, we can do anything.